Hello everyone, I am Shivam Thakur. Welcome to my YouTube channel Shivansh guys. I hope you all are doing well practicing your AutoCAD learnings. So guys, today we are going to understand the concept of arrow, how to draw a arrow and how to draw a multileader command, how to understand, we will understand a multileader command. So alright guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and do subscribe to my channel because and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming videos. Alright guys, let's start it. For activating the multileader command, we need to go into the dimension command bar and we need to select multileader from here. Once I have selected multileader, there are three options. Number first one is leader arrowhead location. Second is leader landing first. Third one is content first. There are three types of leaders that we can draw. Let's understand the simple leader how we need to draw. This is the arrowhead location first. This is asking for the starting specify leader's arrowhead location. I just click here and we clicked here. So we can see we can write anywhere. Let's draw value is 5. Then draw HE hello and then OK. As we can see the text is here along with the arrow line multi-leader, but the size of arrow is very small and it's not visible. So if you want to increase the size of arrow, so you can, for this you need to enter MO, then enter. By entering MO in space command bar, properties of this object would be open. We need to go into the arrowhead size in leader option. Just click come here and enter the value as a 5 and our arrowhead size has been increased. So we can see if you wanna change the location of this text little bit upper side, a little bit lower side, and if you wanna move this, so you can just by clicking on this. If you wanna increase this straight line, so for this you need to click on this triangle and just place it anywhere where you wanna place. If you wanna make this small, then click here and then make it small. So I hope do you understand the simple arrowhead how can we draw. Alright guys, let's draw one more arrowhead. If anyone just wanna draw a simple arrow, so let's understand this first. We need to go into the dimension command bar, select multileader command, and ortho mode is on for this. And this is asking for the arrowhead location. I just click here and then click here. And if you just wanna draw a simple arrow without writing anything in the end of arrow, without write, then click here OK. We can see the arrow size is small, but arrow size is here. Then MO, then enter. Go into the leaders and arrowhead size is 0.18, then enter 5, then OK. So we will see our arrow is here. Simple arrow is draw here. But if you wanna increase or decrease, if you wanna move this, so you can. For this you just need to click here. You wanna rotate the line of angle like this anywhere. And if you wanna change the starting point of arrow, you can just by clicking anywhere. So alright guys, I hope you understand how you can draw. And if you wanna get a extended line, for this you just need to click on this triangle and then place it anywhere. So here you will get like this. The complete shape of your arrow is changed now. Alright guys, I hope you again understand how you can draw a arrow without writing anything. Let's understand some more concept of multileader command. Let's go into a dimension, select multileader from here, and if I'll just click on leader landing first, when I'll just click the location would be where we will write text. I just click here. This is the place where I will write text. Now ortho mode is off, and this is the arrowhead location. I clicked here. I clicked here arrowhead location, and this is the place where we will write anything. Hello everyone. Then press OK. We can see our text is also not visible and our arrowhead is very small, but it is there. We can see just by zooming this. So alright guys, for in case if you wanna edit text and if you wanna do any kind of addition in text, so for this you just need to double click on text. As I wanna increase the size of the text as 5. I wanna bold this and I wanna enter the 4. Then press OK. We can see he's here. I have already tell you how you can increase the size of arrowhead. So you will increase the size by going to the properties by entering ammo. Alright guys, let's understand the one more concept of multileader. Go into a dimension, select multileader command. This is the same has been done, and this is the we have understand this multileader arrowhead first. If we will click on this, firstly we need to give the arrowhead starting point, then we will write anything where we want to write. Second one is leader landing location first. Leader landing location is this. Here we need to give that point firstly where we want to write something, and this is the third one is content first. When I'll click on content first, here we need to give a rectangle where the text would be written. And C and 5 is write anything. Just 1 minute. I have enter value 4. Is then press OK. As we have right here the point, now this will ask you the leader arrow location. If you wanna give arrow this side, so you can. If you wanna give arrow this side, top side, bottom side, anywhere you wanna give, you can. I am giving arrow this side, and I am giving the starting arrowhead point of this. Our arrow would be here. For increasing the size of arrowhead, we need to go into the ammo properties, go into the leaders arrowhead size, and enter the value as a 5 mm, 5 number. Alright guys, this arrowhead is already almost done. So guys, the multileader command is done. Let's select multileader first. We have understand the leader arrowhead first concept. We have understand the leader landing first. We have understand the text first, content first concept. So guys, I hope this is enough for today's video. And if you like the video, if you understand the whole concept, please like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video, because I'm gonna post tutorials on complete AutoCAD and then SolidWorks also. So alright guys, stay tuned on my channel, and thanks for clicking.